It's day one of the hunt.
Not a picture.
No, it's a video.
Cool.
Do you want to restart it?
Nope.
I can cut it.
I'm in it now.
So it's morning one of the hunt, and Zach just maneuvered Jolene, the Tacoma, the beast Tacoma, up to the top of this mountain where the only thing up here is what, side by sides and
Yeah, with chains.
Yeah, so master maneuvering, and we're gonna see what's going on up here. It's a little bit warmer this week than we thought it was going to be, or than we were hoping for. So gained some elevation, got a little bit of a temperature drop. As you can see, there's some snow on the ground, got some fresh tracks, and we're gonna see if we can't find these elk and make a play. All right, it is noon on day one, and from the first spot where we talked to you this morning, we have dropped, what did we say, 1,400 feet?
About 1,400 feet, yeah.
What we discovered up there was just too much snow. It was a little bit too deep, zero food, and at this elevation, this is kind of probably the top of where they're going to be this week. There's a little bit of food, there's a little bit of snow. Once we lose any more elevation, there's not going to be much more snow. We cut a couple of tracks, that's why we stopped here, got out, followed them. They were really fresh. Couldn't find the elk that were making those tracks though, so we're going to go meet up with Howard, our third member of the hunting party for the week, and make an afternoon play. We'll let you know what happens. All right, guys, quite an exciting conclusion to day one. So we met up with our buddy Howard around noon. Got a cup of coffee, a little bit of a snack, and we came to one of our favorite vantage points. We got set up around 2 after we hiked in, and we glassed up about 4 or 5 elk that were about 1.5 miles away, maybe 2 miles away. So it was about 3 o'clock. We knew we had about 2 hours until the sun went down. So we made a move, and we got to within about 200 yards, 300 yards of where those elk were. And Howard, who has a doe mule deer tag, got a mule deer on the ground. We were walking in. We had already made the agreement that if we saw a deer, we were going to take the shot. We were going to get the meat. We were going to fill some tags. So we walked up, and we had one standing at 125 yards.
The other one's down. The other one's down. It dropped.
Got it. and Howard made a great shot, dropped her right in her tracks. And we got some work to do before dark. Got a little pack out coming up. We'll show you some footage